lastly, a historical, iconic locomotive, the Paragon 4 New York Central Commodore Vanderbilt Hudson. In the summer of 1934, the J1E Hudson number 5344 was pulled from service and sent to West Albany to be fitted with the first sheet metal shroud made in America. Painted gunmetal gray and with aluminum trim, the locomotive was named Commodore Vanderbilt after the successful U.S. businessman who previously owned the New York Central Railroad. July 1939, she was shipped to the shops again and given a shroud for the Dreyfus Hudson. Thanks again for your time and for your support. We do appreciate it at Broadway Limited. So until next time, happy railroading.